Hey y'all, we're going to jump right into this tutorial, and I'm going to start off with my Jamaican black castor oil, and this is the extra dark. My hair is freshly washed and conditioned, by the way. I'm going to go in next with my Eden Body Works Sleeve and Conditioner and rub that all over my hair. To ensure that my hair is nicely moisturized, I'm going to go in with my As I Am Double Butter Cream. Next, I'm going to take a comb to create a part. Then I'm going to take my Eco Styler gel and pretty much go into sections and lather that product all throughout my hair and flattening it as I go along. Next, I'm going to comb that gel all throughout my hair to make sure that each strand stays put, and then I'm going to take a brush to smooth everything down. Once everything is laid nicely, I'm going to take a Durag and tie that on my hair, and then I'm also going to take another scarf and put that on my hair as well to ensure that everything stays nice and flat while my hair air dries. Surprised that my hair took a long time to dry. Like, I don't really have that much hair and I had the scarves on for like at least 5 hours or so, and it still wasn't 100% dry. Right here it was maybe 90% dry, so it was almost dry but not quite. Lastly, I'm going to use my main choice herbal hair tonic in soy milk deep hydration serum oil mist. Ooh, that's a long name. And I'm just going to put that product all throughout my hair, once again ensuring that my hair is nice and hydrated. And this is the end result, you guys. I think it turned out really cute. I love to see my waves and how my hair isn't perfectly flat. That's just the nature and the beauty of having natural hair, and I'm embracing every bit of it. So I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all on the next video. Until then, bye.